Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to make Pani puri. Boil 5 medium-sized potatoes. Peel and mash it. With this, add 1 finely chopped onion, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it. Let's make the pani for pani puri. For this, take 1/3 cup of mint leaves, 1/3 cup of coriander leaves, 1 green chili, half-inch size ginger, and 10 peppercorns. Grind it. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, little water. Grind it nicely. Filter this with help of sifter. With this, pour tamarind juice. For tamarind juice, I have taken small lemon-sized tamarind and soaked in water for 30 minutes. Then extracted the juice from that. Now add 2½ glass of water in this. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and mix it. Now make a small hole on top of the puri. Stuff the potato masala. Pour sweet chutney. Pour the green pani. And serve it. Wow! The pani puri is ready now. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.